Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best chip container for your lunchbox, the Tanjiae small stainless steel snack containers with silicone lids. If you're looking for a safe, durable, and easy-to-use option to keep your snacks fresh and mess-free, this product might just be what you need. The Tanjiae snack containers are crafted from high-quality 18/8 stainless steel, paired with 100% leak-proof silicone lids. This combination ensures that your snacks are stored safely without any harmful chemicals, making it a great choice especially for kids. What's really impressive is that the containers are completely plastic-free, so you're making a healthier choice for your family and the environment. One standout feature of these containers is their size and portability. Each container holds 1 cup or 8 ounces, which is perfect for portion control or packing just the right amount of chips, fruits, sauces, or any other small snacks. The dimensions are compact, about the size of a tennis or baseball, which means they fit nicely into lunchboxes and bags without taking up too much space. Another great aspect is their stackability. When you remove the lids, these containers nest inside each other to save space in your fridge or cabinets. This is a huge advantage if you like to keep your kitchen organized or if you need to store multiple containers for meal prep. Kids will appreciate how easy it is to open and close the lids. The silicone lids are soft and flexible, designed to be leak-proof but also kid-friendly. This makes it simpler for toddlers or little hands to manage without struggling, and parents can rest easy knowing the lids won't accidentally pop off and cause spills. Maintenance is a breeze with these containers. The smooth stainless steel interior means food doesn't stick, so cleaning is quick and effective. Plus, they are dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and even oven safe up to 355 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you multiple ways to use and reheat food without transferring it to another dish. It's important to note that while these containers are not insulated, so they won't keep your food hot or cold for extended periods. You can easily pair them with an insulated lunch bag or cooler to maintain the temperature of your snacks throughout the day. Whether you need a container for daycare, school lunches, or simply for on-the-go snacks, the Tanjiae small stainless steel snack containers offer versatility, durability, and a thoughtful design that focuses on safety and convenience. If you're ready to switch to a more sustainable, durable, and practical snack container, this Tanjiae set could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.